Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by technology, you're not alone. Many seniors feel the same way, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be this way. Here at Tech Savvy Tutorials, we believe that technology should be accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Forget the jargon and complicated instructions. We're all about breaking down barriers and building confidence. Whether you're completely new to computers, smartphones, or tablets, or you have a little experience and want to learn more, you're in the right place. We'll be covering everything from the basics of using a computer to navigating the world of apps and social media. Let's demystify technology together. In this video, I'm going to break down some of the basics, explaining things in a way that is easy to grasp, no matter your age or experience. We'll explore the world of computers, tablets, and smartphones, and I'll share some tips and tricks that will make your tech life a breeze. Imagine staying connected with loved ones across the globe, accessing a wealth of information at your fingertips, or even discovering new hobbies and passions, all through the power of technology. We'll demystify some of the common tech terms that you might find confusing. So let's dive in and discover the exciting world of technology together. Before we jump into the specifics of computers, tablets, and smartphones, let's take a step back and talk about what we mean by technology. Technology is all around us, and we interact with it every single day. Think about your morning routine. You might wake up to an alarm clock, brew a pot of coffee using a coffee maker, and maybe even catch up on the news on your television. In this video, we're going to focus on some of the most common and useful tech tools that can enhance your daily life. Now, when we talk about technology in today's world, we often think of digital technology. This includes things like computers, smartphones, and tablets, which have become an integral part of our lives. These devices have revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and even entertain ourselves. Imagine staying connected with your loved ones no matter where they are in the world, exploring distant countries from the comfort of your home, or having a library's worth of information at your fingertips. We'll discuss the unique features of each device, explore their capabilities, and learn how to use them effectively. Now, let's step into the world of computers. You might have heard of terms like desktop and laptop, but what do they really mean? Well, imagine a computer as a powerful tool for information and communication. A desktop computer is like the reliable workhorse of the computer family. It's bigger and more powerful than a laptop, making it great for tasks that require a lot of processing power, like editing photos or videos. On the other hand, a laptop is like the portable and versatile member of the family. It's smaller, lighter, and designed for easy transport. Both desktops and laptops have the same basic components, just in slightly different forms. The essential trio: monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Let's meet the essential trio that make computers tick: the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. First up is the monitor. This is the screen where you see everything that's happening on your computer: pictures, videos, documents, you name it. Next, we have the keyboard. This is your trusty tool for typing. And last but not least, we have the mouse. These three components work together seamlessly to give you control over your computer. Unlocking the power of computers. Now that you know the basic parts of a computer, let's explore what you can actually do with these amazing machines. One of the most popular uses for computers is browsing the internet. The internet is like a vast library of information, connecting you to people, places, and knowledge from all over the world. You can also use computers to stay connected with loved ones through video calls. Computers are also fantastic for creative pursuits. Now, let's move on to a device that many people find incredibly user-friendly, especially those new to the digital world, the tablet. Picture a sleek, slim device, thinner than a magazine and lighter than a book. One of the things that makes tablets so appealing is their portability. You can easily slip a tablet into your purse or bag, making it perfect for taking with you on the go. Whether you're traveling, visiting friends, or simply relaxing in your favorite armchair, a tablet can be your constant companion. Let's delve a little deeper into what makes tablets so special and how their touch-based interface makes them a joy to use. One of the things that sets tablets apart from traditional computers is their touchscreen interface. Forget the mouse and keyboard. With a tablet, your fingertips become your tools. To interact with a tablet, you simply tap, swipe, and pinch the screen. Want to scroll through a web page or a document? Simply swipe your finger across the screen as if you were flipping through a magazine. Tablets also allow you to zoom in and out of images or text with a simple pinch gesture. This intuitive, touch-based interaction makes tablets incredibly user-friendly. Now, let's talk about apps. Those little squares of magic that give tablets their incredible versatility. Apps is short for applications, and they're essentially programs designed to perform specific tasks. Want to check the weather? There's an app for that. Need to find a recipe? There's an app for that too. You can find apps for almost anything imaginable. One of the best things about apps is that they're designed to be easy to use. To explore the world of apps, you'll need to visit your tablet's app store. Now, let's talk about a device that has become practically indispensable in today's world, the smartphone. It's called a smartphone for a reason. It's like having a mini computer, a camera, and a communication hub all rolled into one compact device that fits right in your pocket. With a smartphone, you can make calls, send text messages, browse the internet, check emails, take photos, watch videos, play games, and so much more. Smartphones are designed with user-friendliness in mind. While smartphones are great for making calls and sending text messages, they offer a whole universe of possibilities beyond these basic functions. One of the most popular uses for smartphones is browsing the internet. With a few taps on the screen, you can access news, websites, check the weather forecast, find directions, or even do your online shopping. Smartphones also allow you to stay connected with loved ones through social media, apps, email, and video calls. And if you're looking for entertainment, smartphones have you covered there too. One of the features that people love most about smartphones is the built-in camera. Gone are the days of carrying around a separate camera. With a smartphone, you can capture life's precious moments wherever you are, whenever they happen. And with the high-quality cameras found in most smartphones these days, your photos and videos will look amazing. With just a few taps, you can share your photos and videos with loved ones through text messages, emails, or social media. Connecting to the digital world, the magic of the internet. We've talked about computers, tablets, and smartphones, but you might be wondering what connects them all. Well, that's where the magic of the internet comes in. Think of the internet as a vast network of information, a global library filled with websites, videos, articles, and more. To access this amazing resource, your devices need a way to connect to it. At home, you most likely use something called Wi-Fi, which is like an invisible signal that allows your devices to talk to the internet. When you're out and about, you can still access the internet using your smartphone's mobile data. Now, let's talk about a term you might have heard but weren't quite sure what it meant. The cloud. Despite its name, the cloud isn't something you see in the sky. It's actually a way to store your digital information, like photos, documents, and emails, securely online. Instead of storing everything on your computer or smartphone, you can upload it to the cloud, where it's safely kept and organized. The best part is you can access your information from any device with an internet connection. There are many different cloud storage services available, such as Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox. Let's demystify some common tech terms you might encounter. Think of this as learning key phrases in a new language. First up is the term operating system, or OS. It's the software that controls your device. Common ones include Windows and iOS for Apple devices. Apps, short for applications, are handy tools on your devices. They let you do specific things like checking the weather or playing a game. Connecting with friends on social media, there's an app for that. Apps make life easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about browsers. Browsers let you access and navigate the internet. Popular ones include Google Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. Learning tech terms takes time and practice. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of computers and tablets to the incredible capabilities of smartphones and the vast world of the internet. It's a lot to take in, but I hope you're feeling empowered and excited about the possibilities that technology offers. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, more enjoyable, and more connected. It's a tool that can help us stay in touch with loved ones, pursue our passions, and learn new things throughout our lives. Don't be afraid to embrace technology at your own pace. Start with one device or one new skill at a time. There are plenty of resources available to help you, including online tutorials, classes at your local library, and even tech-savvy grandchildren or friends who would be happy to lend a hand. Approach technology with curiosity and a willingness to learn. There's no shame in asking for help along the way. The digital world is constantly evolving, so there's always something new to discover. Keep exploring, keep connecting, and keep having fun with technology. Thank you for joining me on this tech adventure today.